As cases rise, lockdown measures get tighter. As expected on Monday, Paris authorities announced new measures to try and stem rising case numbers, particularly among the 20 to 30 age group. The first target will be the city's famous bars.
À compter donc de demain.
From tomorrow, all bars will have to be closed. Restaurants, which are defined as establishments whose main activity is the sale of meals, will be able to remain open at their usual times, subject to strict compliance and with a new health protocol.
The shutdown will initially last 2 weeks, but will also include gyms and swimming pools. There'll be limits on the numbers in shopping centres and a ban on music in public after 10 p.m. Paris is seeing a lot of new cases, with more than 200 so-called clusters. 30% of the city's intensive care beds are taken up with COVID-19 patients. It's nothing like as bad as March, but it's moving in the wrong direction.
Cette situation est durable.
The situation is durable. In fact, the life can continue to unfold, albeit not to the extent as before. But democratic life, economic life, cultural life, social life can of course also have its own space and rhythm, which are absolutely essential.
It's not a view universally shared.
We have to ask yourself the question, will closing bars prevent the spread of the virus? We don't have an answer today.
It's sad because people are going to gather in their homes, so there is no point in closing the bars.
Here, as elsewhere in Europe, there is growing scepticism surrounding lockdowns and their costs, both economic and social. On Friday, there was coordinated pot banging by restaurant staff. In Marseille, where similar measures are already in place, there have been widespread protests. In Spain, there's an even bigger surge in cases. Over the weekend, travel restrictions and other measures were imposed on Madrid. Cases are increasing across Europe as winter approaches, and governments are struggling to strike a balance between fighting the outbreak and letting people live a normal life. Simon McGregor Wood, TRT World.